How to delete all history on your Chrome. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can clear entire Chrome history, like website history and all. So let's start with the good video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser here. So guys, there is the two methods, so I will show you the easiest one by one. So let me start with the video. Okay, so for the deleting history, we need to find out history. So for history, just click on this three dot option here, go to the history, click tab on history here, and you can see the all history. This is my all history of Monday, and you can see the all history date wise. Okay, so you can delete from here one by one if you want. Okay, you can delete any individual history from here. Okay, now if you want to delete everything from here, okay, the first method is select the all history by clicking Ctrl plus A. This is a shortcut, Ctrl plus A. You can see the all history has been selected here. Now you can delete from here, it will be delete. The first method is a very simple. Now I go to the second method. Go to the clear browser history, and this pop-up window will be open. Now go to the advanced, and if you want to delete entire history, then select the all time, and you have to select the everything if you want delete everything. Okay, if you want to delete only history, then deselect all here, deselect all here, uncheck it. And if you want to delete only browsing history, select the browsing history only and delete it. Or if you want to delete download history, cookies and other site data, caches, password, autofill data like your email ID and all, anything, you can delete everything from here. Okay, so guys, that is how you can clear the entire history from Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.